So how's it going? I decided to try a little experiment today with the mussel shells. I did a little video about that earlier, and I decided, you know what, just give it a go. I never actually tried it before, so here we go. We down at the little beach there. We call it the local people. We call it Shell Beach because what you have is here's a close up. Tons and tons and tons of mussel shells, just like this, all crushed. Some of them are really crushed, some of them are full. So I decided that, I use them for decorative. I use them to add to the soil a little bit. And I don't think what happens naturally, I don't think they break down very well. Like that's just a guess. Maybe a little bit, right? So I decided to to do an experiment here. Now, some of you guys might have seen this with eggshells and vinegar. I remember I watched a video on that years ago, for calcium deficiency. So what I'm going to try, I haven't done this before. I picked up some white vinegar. There's some stuff from the dollar store. I got a thing of shells. So here we go. We're going to see what happens, and I'm thinking it's going to have a similar, similar impact on eggshells as it does on this. So I don't know if it's even going to react or what's going to happen. So here we go. I'm going to pour some in. What I'm hoping, though, is that the vinegar will eventually, probably slowly, dissolve the seashells down, much like the... Oh, we do have a reaction. If you look closely, oh yeah, we have a fucking reaction. And those are pretty clean shells, so there's nothing else in there that's going to react like that. So we have a really strong reaction going on. Oh boy, that's really reacting. So let's put this lid on and see how much pressure starts to come up. Oh, look at that. I wonder what gas is released. Probably CO2. I don't know, actually. Yeah, that's reacting really well. So I guess after maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't even know. Um, I'll leave it in there for probably at least a week. Then I'll dilute it, and then I'll sprinkle it just a light. Maybe I'll do a few test pots first. I don't think it's harmful, but too much might have a negative impact. But it's probably just like eggshells. I'll have to look up the chemical analysis if there's anything available online. But that could be the solution to calcium deficiency and whatever else is in there. Probably some magnesium, some trace minerals. I think it's calcium carbonate that these shells are made from. But this will be more ready. When this breaks down, it will be more bioavailability will be probably a lot better. And because the soil I'm using around here too isn't the best. I don't have triple mix in these buckets and stuff. I've been getting down on the other beach we have. We get a lot of wash up shit, so this is kind of like a sand. And okay, my